today's video is very funny. I haven't posted in 2 weeks, and then the last vlog you saw was me sharing my Fridays where I'm more relaxed and stuff like that. But the last 2 weeks definitely hasn't been like that. I am doing my makeup today because I am going to show up on Instagram. Haven't done that in a really long time, and I'm going to catch up with you on what's been going on. I'm going to finish off my makeup and kind of share with you along the way. So the first thing is I was working on Poi Hun the last 2 weeks. There's a lot been going on. We ended up doing a grand opening for the mini retail shop that we did, if you remember, back in February. So I've been working really hard on that, and I just haven't had time to do my own stuff. I did have a video that was supposed to post for Life with Holly, but I didn't even get a chance to finish editing that. It has been that busy. So I'm gonna continue my contour and bronzer today. I am using M Cosmetics. So this one is definitely one of my faves. It's easy to use. All you do is just add it to space spots you like, and that's pretty much it. And another update that I have is that Mr. Poi, which is the Poi in Poi Hun, he switched jobs, so he's starting something new also the last 2 weeks, so that's been also something that we've been adjusting to. He is heading to work with me all the time, so I'm not alone anymore. I go to work with him, and we would drive one car so we don't have to waste gas, but maybe in the future, if things are different, we might have to drive to the office, but that's it for now. And he might even move out in the future, but who knows what's gonna happen. But that's been what's been going on. So I would definitely be sharing today what's been going on in the office. It's definitely changed since the last time you saw it, and kind of update you on what else are we doing for the grand opening. And yeah, so that's today's little vlog today. It's kind of like a little catch up and kind of like telling you where I've been for the past 2 weeks. So before I put on my lips for the last thing, I've been using this Peach and Lily spray that I heard a lot about on TikTok. It's super nice. It's very nice and glowy and hydrating, so I love that. Even if I'm not wearing makeup, I would just put this on to kind of just freshen up my face, because I do end up in the office and sometimes people do come in and I don't want to just show my bare face. Luckily we have a mask still, so I've been wearing that. And yeah, so today I also want to share something that I was gifted a little while back. This is the Merit lipsticks. So I actually bought one before I even got these as a gift, and I thought that was kind of funny because now I have 3. They are really good formula. They're super moisturizing, so that's why I love it. So I don't mind having 3 in total, but I'm gonna share a little bit and wear them for you. So I have 2 colors here. I have this baby, which is more of a nude color. I think this is super popular and everyone loves the nude. I'm also going to try this camera to see if I have to use my hand to show you the color. Oh, I don't. That's super cool. And then I haven't got to use that feature on this camera yet, so that's nice to know. And then this next one is Tiger, which is a darker color. So it's more like, I guess, a red almost. In my opinion, it's very nice for like those night outs and stuff like that. But on a normal day, I probably wouldn't wear this. But I will definitely share with you the 2 swatches right now. So let me move my camera. So I moved my camera. I also did a Reels on this, so you can go check it out if you haven't. But today I'm going to start with the Tiger one. So this is how it looks, and I'm going to just swatch it on my hand super quick. So right here you can see it's more like a orangey red, which I think looks pretty with, especially if you have a really good eye look, but I don't really do eye looks that often, so that kind of sucks. But I'm going to put this on super quick. So this is how it looks. It doesn't look too bad actually. It's super cute, super pretty. You can also layer it a little bit more, so I think it's because I didn't put too much on it. I put like a sheer layer on it. That's why it doesn't look as bad, because it might be really intense if you put a lot more pigment, and then I want to show you the baby one, which is also definitely my favorite and matches my lip color the most. So I'm going to show you the swatch, and then I'm going to take whatever is on my lips off. So this is the color difference. I forgot where I put my third one, or else I'd show you that one, but let's just focus on these two for now. So this is how it looks. So this is my first gifted kind of bigger, not sponsored, but like gifted products, I guess, since I got back into this in January. So I'm so excited and super happy to have this, and I definitely love Merit, and that's why I bought it even before I got part of this campaign. So that is super cool. But yeah, so I'm gonna take off my lip and put that one on. So here is a baby on my lips. It looks more natural because it's like really close to my lip color, but it does give like more oomph to my lips because my lips do look pale randomly, so that is good that it kind of keeps it not pale at all. So this is how it looks. Super pretty, super cute, and today's makeup is super simple. I just wanted a little bit of base, brows obviously, obviously blush and contour, and I didn't even do anything to my eyes because eyes been super sensitive the past few months, so I decided to just not do the eyes unless I really needed to or really wanted to for a video or something. But right now I'm just gonna keep it super low-key, and yeah, and look pretty good. You just need your hair done and you're pretty much good to go. So we're gonna head to the office right now, and I'm gonna share a little bit more, and that's pretty much today's vlog. I just wanted to update you guys on what I've been doing and where I've been and how life has been. So yeah, I will see you in the office.
True.
So I'm in the office and I got my coffee here. I used the oat milk creamer from Trader Joe. It's the brown sugar one. I saw it on TikTok and it's super yummy. So there's that. So now I'm in the office and I want to kind of explain what is going to be changing. So other than the front, we're going to be expanding a little bit. We have another room that we're going to be using for DIY Discbound planners, so you can build your own planners in the room. So that's super exciting. So that's going to be focused on that with a little bit of other Poi Hun stuff. So bringing more Poi Hun stuff into the shop also, because when we did the soft launch, we didn't put too many things out, and we've been having a lot of questions about having other items. So that's what we have. Then we also have our warehouse. So when we first got the warehouse and office, we wanted to grow into it. So obviously it was a lot bigger than we needed. So we wanted to make use of each of the space. And so we decided to take a third of the warehouse and kind of transform it and just keep it empty. So it's not really transforming it, but it's like keeping it empty so that we can host pop-ups, we can host events in there, and definitely do some fun things along with that. So that's what we have planned for there. So we had to move a lot of the stuff that was in the warehouse. We had to push everything back. We did even swap sides on some of the items and some of the stuff, which I will show you in a little bit. And yeah, that's pretty much a really big thing we had to do for the last 2 weeks. So that's why I've been super busy with everything like that. But yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys what's been going on, and that's pretty much it for today's vlog, because I just wanted to share what's been happening, what are the changes, and I'm so excited to see what's to come. Okay, so here is the little tour. So if you remember, we had some cute little seats there. We moved them into the room, and now it's just something else. We wanted more shelves, so this is all flowing shelves. You can still see the pretty flowers on the top, but it is a little different. We did change the reception area. Maybe in the future we'll cover that up so it's more like a reception space, but it's mainly our marketing coordinator's little spot there. So we moved some of that stuff away, and then over here is pretty much the same. Only thing is we added another shelf here. This is going to be for our Neo products, and then everything else should be about the same for now. So you're getting a super crazy, chaotic tour, but I just wanted to share a little bit, and then I'll do another tour in the future when it's ready and set. So right here is going to be the DIY room, so you can build your own discbound in here. So there's a bunch of inserts that we are figuring out. The accessories will be over there. We're thinking of keeping this table here, not really sure, but they'll have a lot of notepads and stuff in here. The chairs that I was mentioning that were outside is now in here. We're gonna decorate the wall, so it's a cute little photo op station. There's more space here for workshop and product to display, but still a mess here because we still got a few more days. And then over here at the wall, we installed some more of these photo floating shelves, and these are going to be displaying our covers and stuff. So we definitely added a lot of our own products in here. We didn't have too much out there, and you can only purchase them whatever's in the store because we're trying to keep it separate from the warehouse. And then we're gonna go in the warehouse. It's still a mess in there, but I'm kind of explaining what we did. So here's how the warehouse is so empty on this side, and also on this side will be empty. We're gonna have space for small businesses to come and hang out, do pop-ups and stuff like that. We'll host little pop-ups. People can do this for events also, so there's so many things that we have planned, and I'll definitely do another video. I also want to do more small business related things to bring back something that I've done a long time ago and I haven't always had it in my mind, wanted to keep doing it, but I'll definitely share another video on that in the future. And we did have this on this side of the wall before, and then we pushed it down there, and then Mr. Poi said he wanted to move on that side, so that was another crazy thing we did. And then other than that, I moved all my stuff here. Everything in the back is still the same, and the production area is going to be kind of mixed with rattle space in my memory. So sorry about that, but yeah, so that section is going to be more production stuff. And if you saw our newest items, we did have some candles. So there's a candle station over there, a sticker station here, which we still need to set up. I've been talking about it for a whole year. And then over here is going to be the secret project, which I can't tell you too much. And if you see it, you see it. And then on this side is all the stuff that we've been working on, or the stuff that I usually pick stuff from. And yeah, that's basically what's been happening, and I can't wait to share more, but that's it for today. I also want to mention that today we just got some upgrades in our door. So before we just had the Poi Hun, and a lot of people park behind us, so it's nice to kind of share what we have in the shop, so maybe people will come in the future, because a lot of people do park in our parking lot to go eat. But yeah, I just wanted to share this also. And that's it for today's vlog. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I hope I gave you a little update on where I've been and what I've been doing. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, or comment down below any other videos you'd like to see. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!